Hey, Jet here. So, last night, before the open house on my 13316 house in Sunrise, and it kind of feels awesome. Like, I put the whole house together over the last 11 years, and it looks pretty damn good. I mean, everything here is tight, you know? There ain't nothing freaking wrong with this house. I don't care what it says. It's beautiful, freaking beautiful. I mean, look. Even my trees are growing other trees that are not their own. It's fucking cool. Like, let me just give you the last and final tour. You know, of course, brand new AC. You know, of course, you know, because why wouldn't you have a brand new AC? What about this? Whole house water filtration system. You know, because everyone should have one of those. Alright, oh yeah. By the way, everything you see here is Impact. Kind of nice. I mean, stuff's done right. Everything's here for sale. Like, Big Green Egg. I've cooked some really good steaks in that Big Green Egg. My trees, my acerolas, my gruby chamas that I made. Let me switch it. Oh. I can't switch it while on video. Whatever. So, my gruby chamas. That's my my Glen mango, the real big one. I love that mango. It's like so good. This is my dad's favorite mango, the Glen. Actually, this is a different type of awesome. It's called a Tebow. It's my favorite. It's got a little tart to it, a little more tart. This is Chakanon. Very, very good. Very, very tasty. You know, the lights that I did. All this furniture set up. Oh, I can't fucking forget to show you my boat. I mean, come on now. What kind of host would I be if I forgot to show you my John boat? I mean, oh yeah, got a little entertainment center here. If you'd like to do a whole little like tightrope walk type deal, that's what that is right there. But it's two purposes. So I think, yeah, that's like you could do a tightrope because it's super taut. You can walk up there, and it also holds that mango tree up because it fell twice. All right, this is my and it's tap conned into that concrete right there, so it ain't going nowhere. Well, it'll eventually, but whatever. This is my put a winch on this thing. See how that's freaking badass. Yeah, that's how it works. Got fishing pole holders, one for BS pole. It's got a battery. Oh shit! I gotta turn on the lights. I mean, why not? I'm showing you the whole house. Might as well give you the grand tour, you know? So, like, we hooked these up. These are the lights all the way up. You can see it's super cool at night. BNI, I taped them up here. There's my battery for the outboard trolling motor. It's electric. It's a 30-pound thrust. It's like, even if it goes bad, it's freaking $100. You get a brand new one. That's my fishing pole. Set up with the dock. This is my umbrella. Keep shady. I mean, this is freaking legit. Legit. I've taken boats worse than this 7 miles out to LA Key in Miami when I was fucking 13 years. Well, I don't even know. Maybe somewhere between 10 and 13, I think. So, and those were worse boats than that. Like this, you could take that freaking boat in the ocean. It's ready to go. It's got an automatic bilge pump. What do you want? It's all the safety gear, whatever. Chakanon, my lychee, and my jackfruit, lychee, and last but not least, these papaya seedlings. Some beautiful lake, new fence, all the cool furniture. Oh, and I'm taking this one mango with me. I think it's a Tebow mango for sure, and I'm gonna splice off those other ones. I'm gonna get the new owner, whoever it is, to let me come back here and splice off those trees to bring those trees back to my new house. So that's the seedling from a Tebow that I'm bringing, and all those those paper towels. I have a bunch of papaya seeds that are freaking amazing. So, yeah, this house is beautiful. What else? Comes with a freaking unicorn, of course. Because why not? You need a unicorn, right? I mean, who doesn't freaking need a unicorn? You know, the shed. I ain't gonna show you the shed. All these cabinets, nice ass cabinets, full on security system. 9 cameras, well, 8 cameras. Shit, I gotta walk around. These $600 fan each. 2 of these fuckers. Can you believe $600 freaking dollars? That was 2012 prices. I mean, can you fucking believe that? How expensive this stuff is? Pool equipment, saltwater system, nice little shed to store like chemicals and stuff. This house is set up right. You know, you got the trash hidden behind this little wall that we built specifically to hide the trash. Like, we made it nice. All these shelves in here in the garage. You know, it's just shelving everywhere. At the generator, freaking. My shit's tight. I'm just saying. And these cabinets. Okay, so now let's get into the house. This bathroom we built right when we first moved in. It's gorgeous. Yeah. With the wash and dry, we made that closet. We made that shower. Everything. We touched everything. This whole pantry area, beautiful. Kitchen, but I'll show you this room first. This was Davin's room before he's graduating college, so he's moving to his mom's house. And that's where I set up my desk. And that's the view of my lake. You can kind of see what I see when I work. It's really nice. Put a closet in here. That's the way out right over there. Nice ass kitchen. I mean, top of line gear. Ain't nothing wrong with that. This nice buffet. Nice table. I mean, there's nothing wrong. Beautiful light fixtures everywhere. This door is $2,400, just that door. Beautiful. Beautiful mirrors. These specialty height freaking stools, because that bar is kind of high. Impact, of course. Oh, this area here we built up. We'll talk about that a little bit. So this right here was the existing wall. It's just a flat regular wall. But what we did is we popped it out. We broke the wall. So we put a hole all from top to bottom, busted it out, built out drywall here, boxed it in like a little column, and then boxed it in up here. We popped this out, the same thing. Boxed it in so that we have that space behind in the closet. Mounted the TV, and this it's like an entertainment center area, and we built these custom cabinets that fit fucking perfect. And I did the rock. I didn't do the cabinets. We hired this guy. It took forever, but he did a really good job. So we did all that detail with the lights. You know, it's freaking nice, right? Looks pretty cool. That looks cool. And then this thing we hang down from the above the range, in case you want to suck out all the stink, you know. And look at these rooms. It's a beautiful room. These closets from IKEA, but I custom built them into the wall, so they looks like custom cabinets, man. It's really freaking nice. Hold on. Yeah, look. It's really freaking cool. This is Beer's room. It's really beautiful. We did this custom paint job with the stripes. It just goes together, you know? Like I said, tight. All right. This is Beer's playroom. Lots of toys. Everything's got a place. And everything in its place. Sydney's room. This awesome room. Her custom closet, you know? Custom closets. This is set up nice. And I love that picture of my daughter. Hi, Sydney. Selfie. That's that room. Oh, and like I said, the closet's over here. Like I said, you can kind of see where I stored some boxes back there. That's the other side of where that column was punched out. And then if you look back there, there's an extra like rack of shelving and a shelving. That's where I keep all my dive gear. This area where I keep all my pillows for the outside. Oh, my security system, you know. Ultra high def, of course, you know. It's only the best. Marble floors, as you can see, gorgeous. New bathroom, of course. Pretty nice. I mean, all like legit. Done pretty nice. More hurricane doors. And here, it's a little mess, but you can see like, yeah, this is my wardrobe over here. It's like the whole wall, like a wall wardrobe. It's pretty awesome. Like every section has its own, like whatever detail. It looks cool, you know? And it's very practical because this room is huge and you might as well take up the wall with a big ass wardrobe. Security camera in my room in case some moron wants to try to break in. Their face is gonna be on there. I wish it was used for sex tapes, but no, it's not allowed. So sorry guys. Here, the blinds, and then here's my bathroom. It's here. Everything's nice. We just had repainted, like recaulked and stuff. So whoever gets this house, look at that detail. I mean, it's pretty nice. Here, you know, same detail here. The cabinets with the vanity, and then here, really nice. Everything that goes. Oh, I took these out, these drawers. They go back in there. I took them out because the dudes were painting in here yesterday, and I didn't want them stealing it, so I got them, put them in a different room. But this is my wife's custom closet too, you know? She's got the smaller closet, actually. I don't know how I ended up with the bigger closet, but I did. Oh, well. Well, I mean, I think mine's the nicest closet, that's for sure. Hers is more hidden, but it's just too tight. All right, I just thought I'd let you know. The cool house, and it's kind of sad that I'm leaving, and oh well, but signing off. Love you guys. Bye.